Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn about functions. So far we've only been dealing with the function main. Now we'll create more functions. We'll use the keyword func and write a name of our function. Let's call it display name. To write a name or to give a name to a function, we have the similar rules as to the ones in variables. We use camel casing, but we also give a name that is very descriptive about what the function does. Now when I'm saying display name, you get an idea that this function might display a name. That's how you name a function. And also one more thing, you notice the first letter is a small case letter. This means that this is a private function. You won't be able to access it outside this package. We'll get to this when we are creating public functions. For now, just keep it private. So I'll just open and close parenthesis. This section is for arguments of a function. We'll talk about it later. And then open and close curly braces. This is the scope or the body of the function. Now inside it, I'll simply say print some name. Let's say print Rajesh. Save this, and inside main I'll say fmt.print end of main. So now if I run this code, I'll only see this end of main. I won't see this because a function has to be called for it to be executed. I'll show you over here. So if I run this, I'll only see the end of main here. Why is this? Remember I told you that the main function is called automatically. It does not accept any argument nor it returns any value. But that is not the case for other functions that we create. They require calling. They need to be called by some other function or the main function. So if I call the function over here, how do we call a function? We simply write the name and open and close parenthesis. This is how we call and invoke a function. So once this is done, so the execution starts. The code starts from here. It sees that there is a function call at line 6. Then it jumps to line 10 as it is a procedural language. So it will execute the code inside this first. And after this function ends, it will go back over here and then it will print this end of main. So we'll see Rajesh before end of main in this case. I'll just save and run this file. As you can see, we see Rajesh and end of main. But if I just do the function call after I print the statement, so I'll see this print first and then the Rajesh. So then the function call will happen. The order is changed accordingly. There are more kinds of functions that accept arguments and return some type of data. The arguments can be of any type. We'll discuss about functions with arguments and return types in the next video. This will be all for this video. Thank you for watching.